What's up, everyone? It's James. Wanted to share with you today an unboxing. So this package I have here came all the way from the United Kingdom from a company, H.S. Johnson. Now H.S. Johnson is a pretty big watch retailer over there in England, and they have a huge selection. A lot of good brands. This particular watch, I actually can't remember the name of the brand, and I could look it up, but I'd rather just be surprised as I opened it. What I do remember is that this watch was the watch from the movie Jaws. So this company made the original watch from the Jaws movie, which came out in 1975. They've been making watches similar to that style since then, but then they actually earlier this year did a reissue of that original Jaws watch, and it's a special edition. I remember that I had kind of priced it around, and this company H.S. Johnson had a great deal, like a lot lower price by a huge margin too, compared to some of the other companies. I know it retailed for over $2,000. So this, I think I got this for around a little under $1,400 or so. And so H.S. Johnson, they're out of the United Kingdom. So this had to come all the way from England. And actually, considering that, it only took a few weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So not terrible. It's definitely really fast, more faster than I expected to, during this pandemic. But yeah, this is it's gonna be the watch from Jaws. So the watch that the character Matt Hooper wore. So he was the oceanographer and the shark expert that was hunting down Jaws. All right, let's take a look. Got my trusty Marbles bear knife. Alright. Take a look inside. So again, bought this from H.S. Johnson. This is their packaging. Make sure there's not any personal info there. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the watch brand is Alsta. Okay. So an Alsta watch. This is the packaging. So you kind of got this paper on top. Really cool watch box, if y'all can see that. It's curved around. It's more like it's like a pouch almost, but still, it's not soft. Like it's still hard. What is the warranty? Okay, so I got your serial number. Alright. Let's open it up. Very cool. As I was saying, the watch from Jaws. Got your shark right there. Our great white. Oh, okay, cool. So when you open this up, pops open. And wow, yeah, this is a really cool watch. It's beautiful. You can see it. Automatic watch. Swiss movement. And let's see if I can figure out how to take it off. Nope. Just pop the sides off. So yeah, it's got some snaps on the sides here too. Cool box. Cool case, really. Okay. So just pop the clasp off. A little protection there. A dive depth of 999 feet. It's the Nautoscaph is the name of the watch. So Super Automatic 50 special edition. And I'll get you the number of the total amount of these that they release. I'll add that in text in the video. And then the name of the watch movement as well. I know they used a Swiss movement in this particular edition. So they have, I remember they had kind of two editions of these. There's one that's like that has, I think, a Miyota movement or something like that. And then that one's a lot less. That one's like maybe around 700 or so. Okay, so let me take off this Seiko Spirit watch I have. Definitely will have to size this one. But yeah, it's a good looking watch. Really slick. I love the band. Yep, they got this plastic on there. Let's see if I can get that off real quick. Alright, so sizing it should be pretty straightforward. It's just got these pins on the side. Alright, so I took that plastic wrap off so you can see the band better. The bracelet, really cool bracelet. Got your links back here. And just these huge circle links. Really unique piece. Good size, especially for my wrist. So it's more like the retro, smaller case size. But I've got a small wrist, so for me that looks good. So I'll just throw in a quick complete view because there were some details I missed earlier. You can see there the crown. On the clasp you have another great white. Great white on the back. Alright, thanks for watching.